All right, guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do a little bit different video. We're just going to be doing a how-to pretty much. What we got here is two rear hubs and bearings for Z, and that's what we're going to be doing today. My bearings have been pretty shot on the back of this car pretty much ever since I bought it. There's been a noise, and I've had these for a couple weeks now, but I just haven't had the garage space to do it. So move the cars out, and today I'm going to be doing this. So pretty much you just got to jack it up, take the wheels off, take the axles off. A couple things I'll show you guys specifically, but let's get right into the install. All right, guys, so I just got done taking this spacer off. Next, what you're going to want to do is back in here. Let me come in here. There's two big bolts. One's up top, one's on the bottom. They're right here. That will hold your caliper on. And then basically you just want to slide your caliper off. I'm going to hang this thing up with a probably a jack, just so it's not hanging, or just hold it up somewhere, zip tied or something. Next, what you're going to want to do is take the rotor off. This one's got a little bolt in it, so we're going to pull this off, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, so right here is your hub. It's connected to the bearing, and there shouldn't be really any play in this at all. And as you could tell, I could just completely move it back and forth. So that's bad. Next, what you want to do once you're at this stage, you got all this stuff off, is down into here, right on the diff. There's the 6 bolts. Let me turn on the flash real quick. There's the 6 bolts that connect the axle to the diff. You're just going to unbolt all those, and then we'll get to the next step. All right, guys, I forgot to mention earlier too, make sure you get the front nut right off first before you do anything. I'll probably put this clip in front of everything else, but yeah, get this big nut right off first, and then next just take the rotor off, take the caliper off and all that. And I just undid all 6 bolts for the axle. And next what I have to do is I got a single exit, so the exhaust is sort of in the way. I just got to drop that, and then I'll be able to pull the axle out and then undo the hub. And there's just 4 bolts on the back. I'll show you that once the axle's out. All right, guys, so the drive shaft is out. If you could look back up in there, it's loose. I just have it out all the way so I can access the 4 bolts back here. Let me show you a little bit better. But back in here, there's 4 bolts. I don't know if you can see them that great, but there's 4 bolts that hold the hub in. We're just gonna bolt those, or unbolt those. Then the whole hub will come out because there's nothing holding it in anymore besides those 4 bolts. So let's get to popping those out. All right, so just pulled out the last bolt right there. There's all 4 for the hub. And then this thing should be loose. I might just need to bang it out a little bit. But that's pretty much everything holding it in. Now I'm just going to try to get it out real quick. All right, after the old one's out, it took a long time just banging it out, loosening it up. Sometimes I may get stuck and be tricky, which mine was. But you just got to really be patient, bang it out, and you'll get there. You just put the new hub in, the 4 bolts, one there, there, and there. Bolt that up, and then you're going to throw the, pretty much reverse the steps, throw the axle in, and then bolt everything up. As simple as that. What the fuck was that look for? Alright, guys, we just took off. Well, I just took it. We gotta redo this whole fucking clip, bro.